Hi guys! Today I bring another way to easily earn money online. This method is called CPA Marketing. What CPA Marketing is? CPA stands for Cost Per Action, which is a type of online advertising model where advertisers pay only when a specific action is taken, such as filling out a form, downloading an app, or making a purchase. To start CPA marketing and earn money online, follow these steps. Step number 1. Choose a CPA network. Research different CPA networks and choose one that's relevant to your niche and target audience. Step number 2. Apply to the network. Create an account and fill out the application form. You may need to provide some basic information about yourself, your website or traffic sources, and your experience in online marketing. Step number 3. Get approved. Once you are approved, you can browse the offers available on the network and choose the ones that fit your niche and audience. Step number 4. Set up your campaigns. Create landing pages that promote the offers and drive traffic to them through various channels like PPC, social media, or email marketing. Step number 5. Monitor your campaigns. Track your campaign's performance and optimize them for better results. You may need to adjust your targeting, ad copy, or landing pages to improve your conversion rates. And step number 6. Get paid. Earn commissions when someone completes the desired action on your offer, and get paid by the CPA network on a weekly or monthly basis. There are several trusted CPA networks that you can work with to earn money as a CPA marketer. Here are some of the most popular and reputable CPA networks. If you find this information useful, please subscribe my channel and stay connected to find many more ways to earn online. Thank you.